Is your refrigerator completely dead or making strange clicking sounds? This hidden electrical problem could be the reason. Common refrigerator electrical problems include no power, clicking noises, failed defrost systems, and faulty fans, often caused by tripped breakers, blown fuses, or damaged control boards. Solutions involve checking the outlet, inspecting the power cord, replacing the start relay/compressor, cleaning condenser coils, or resetting the main control board. Here are some common electrical issues and solutions. No power/dead fridge. Check for a tripped circuit breaker or blown fuse. Ensure the outlet works by plugging in another device. Inspect the power cord for damage, such as burn marks or melting. Fridge clicking/not cooling. The start relay, on the compressor, is likely fried. Remove the relay, shake it, and replace it if it rattles. Interior light out. Replace the bulb. If it still doesn't work, test the door switch. Fridge runs constantly/warm. Clean the condenser coils to remove dust and debris. Check for a faulty, dirty evaporator fan. Not defrosting. The defrost timer, heater, or thermostat may have failed. Control board failure. If the fridge is dead or acting strangely, the main control board may be damaged by a power surge. Inspect for burn marks. Safety tips. Always unplug the refrigerator or turn off the power at the breaker before attempting any repairs. Avoid using extension cords. If repairs require working with complex components like the inverter board, consider hiring a professional.